Hello busy professionals and entrepreneurs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for LinkedIn Live. So once you're on your LinkedIn profile, go to the main menu and then choose the icon Me. Click on it. From the options below, choose Help. Click on it, and then you can simply type in the search bar LinkedIn Live. Then scroll a little bit down and look for the frequently asked questions. Click on it. And there you see the options. So the first question is, how do I become a LinkedIn Live video broadcaster? Click on it, and then you'll have an option to fill out the application. Click on this application. And then you'll have explanation on how to become a LinkedIn Live broadcaster. So it says contact us, meaning you will fill out this application form, and then you will simply submit it here. In the application itself, it says that there are certain criteria according to which LinkedIn actually decides whether they will enable your LinkedIn Live or not. And here, as you can see here, it says that those kind of criteria are like, some of them are video and overall content creation history, audience size and engagement history, member or page account has been in good standing, two-factor authentication enabled in account settings. However, I can tell from my own experience and from the experience of many other LinkedIn users that this is not really true, because they simply approve some of the profiles who are not really content creators. They don't even post video content or any content at all, but they got the approval for LinkedIn Live. So it really depends. I don't know how they do it, what's their real criteria for approving LinkedIn Live to certain profiles. I would say, my personal opinion, they do it randomly. So anyway, if you scroll a little bit down, then you'll see above here your email address, current email address that you have registered with which you have registered on LinkedIn. And then you can type in here your alternate email, and you'll choose whether you are applying for LinkedIn Live as a member or as a LinkedIn page. So if you are applying from your own LinkedIn profile, then you will apply as a member, and here you will paste your LinkedIn profile URL. So for example, in my case, it's this link, and then they will ask you whether you have turned on the two-step verification for the profile you stream from, and I will say yes. And which region are you or your organization based, and then you'll choose from the options, given options. Now mine is North America. And it says here, if you are applying as a member, please scroll to the bottom and click submit. So that means that, you don't need to fulfill all these parts here, because it's only related to those profiles that are submitting their application from their company page on LinkedIn, or a business profile on LinkedIn, and then they might have a couple of admins there, and so they can actually copy and paste their admin profile URL, and looks like each of those admins will get, if they get approval for LinkedIn Live, they'll get access to the LinkedIn Live. So in this case, if I am applying as an individual, I will apply then as a member, as you can see here, member, and then I will have a two-step verification process already on, and I'll just click here on submit button. But Prior doing that, prior ending this video, I will actually also show you how to do a two-step verification process on LinkedIn, so that you have this precondition fulfilled as well in order to get your LinkedIn Live approval. Now let's do the two-step verification process for your LinkedIn profile. So once you are on your LinkedIn profile, main page, go to the make icon again, click on it and go to the settings and privacy. Click on it. Then choose from the options sign in and security. Click on it and then scroll a bit down, all the way down to the two-step verification process. So you can see here that mine is already on and you'll actually need to activate it. Just click on it and then you'll simply turn it on, and you'll say that your other way of verifying your account is via phone number or SMS, and then you simply type in your phone number, your mobile phone number, and then every time you sign in from some other device, you'll get notified about that on your mobile phone, and then you'll get a verification code that you will enter in order for your LinkedIn account to be more secure. And you can see here the notification that this number cannot be deleted while being used for two-step verification. And you can change verification method here. Like, it doesn't really have to be a phone number. And you can learn more here. So that's it, you're all set, and you can now apply for LinkedIn Live. Good luck! If you have found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and hitting that bell button as well in order to get notified about my other videos that I post on YouTube regularly. Thank you for your attention. Until the next video.